This is the Retrue trailer hitch lock. It fits 1 7/8 inch hitches, 2 inch hitches, and 2 15/16 inch hitches. It's easy to use, it's really secure. Comes with different colors. We have the yellow here. Comes with 2 keys, so you can leave one somewhere and then have a spare. Really nice design. It's going to prevent anyone from coming in and stealing your trailer by hitching it up. To install the trailer lock, make sure the hitch is open. So we'll lift this up. Bring in the hitch lock, insert it, drop the coupler back down, so it's nice and secure. Bring in the top bar, and you're going to slot this in. Make sure you put the ribbed side, the side with the key, and the smooth side can go to the other side. Line it up, and then you're going to push this down until it's secure. And now your trailer is secure and can't be hooked up and stolen. If you want to remove this, get your key, turn this to the side, and then lift up the coupler and then pull down the lock, and now you can hook this up to your vehicle and start towing the trailer. So you're looking for a way to make sure your trailer doesn't get stolen. I'd recommend you get this Retrue trailer hitch lock. Works really well, it's really easy to use, and it's a deterrent to prevent anyone from stealing your trailer.